Hi. As you can see, my ears are on, which can only mean one thing. It's time to pack for Disney. Okay, so in case I did not say, this is a Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 3-night, 4-day cruise. Embarkation day is Friday, July 26th. Disembarkation is Monday, July 29th. Thursday, we fly in. I'll be going to Magic Kingdom with my agency, Adventure Awaits Destinations LLC. Thank you. Small but mighty. Just saying. With that, we're going to be testing out the new Lightning Lane Multipass. Lightning Lane. We're going to be testing it out because it starts that day in the park. So that basically means you can book ahead. So it's kind of going to go back to like old fast pass ways with tiers as far as that. And then once you're there, you can start booking like for your whole week for vacation. So more to follow on that. I'll be vlogging the entire trip. So we're going to test that out Thursday, have a wonderful time, the best, shop, eat, like we have to get snacks. We're going to Magic Kingdom. Happily ever after, obviously, and then pass out and get up and go on the cruise. This is my first Disney cruise. I've been on a cruise before this. We have videos of us on the Carnival Magic from February. This is my first Disney cruise, and I just know it's going to be chef's kiss. So with that being said, we have a Frozen dinner. We have a Marvel themed dinner. We have a pirate night. We have, I know I'm forgetting stuff. Oh, there is a 1920s themed lounge area. So we're going to dress up as our favorite Disney princess inspired flappers. Like that's what we're doing. Flappers inspired as Disney princesses. I'm doing Belle. More to come on that later. So for now, we need to get these packing cubes done, get these clothes in there. Accessories need to be packed, bathing suits, cover-ups, and like cruise essentials too, like refillable water bottles, sunscreen, sunglasses, beach bag, all that kind of good stuff. So we're gonna wrap all that up in this video. Okay, let's get to it. First thing we're packing, flapper dress. Item, pirate dress. Pretty plain, pretty cute. You cannot have a pirate dress without accessories. We have a corset belt, a bandana, a necklace, earrings, an eye patch. You'll see. Next thing we have to pack is a cute embarkation day outfit. Actually giving Smee, not too upset about that, with some cute navy shorts. We have an Arendelle / Frozen themed dinner. Blue dress, obviously. And what would a cute blue dress be without some really cute blue ears to go with it? The most sparkly ears ever. Next, we need a pretty, beautiful, fun, summery dress. Like, I bought this in Puerto Rico. You can't get any more fun and summery than that, so has to be. I know I mentioned this already. We have a Marvel dinner. This is a Her Universe Doctor Strange Scarlet Witch dress, and like it has pockets, so win there. And what would a vacation be without 800 pairs of shoes? So, cute pair of white sandals, cute pair of heels. This is probably overdoing it, but I need a pair of black heels. This is definitely overdoing it, but I need a pair of cool, sparkly heels for the flapper dress. I understand this seems insane, but this is my job, guys, and this is what I truly love to do. I love planning, I love packing, I love doing Disney, so we need to fit this all in a suitcase. Like, let's try it. All right, these are my other ears I'm bringing. So this second bag, we're gonna do like shorts, pajamas, bathing suits, cover-ups, like the extra kind of stuff. I'm gonna bring like a few extra t-shirts, like in case I'm like on the ship and don't want to be in a full dress and heels. And then Like I always bring a few extra t-shirts, like something for the way home, or if I spill something, like, I don't know. Don't we all just pack 700 shirts and 850 pairs of underwear? Like, just saying. We packed shoes and ears. I'm gonna leave a pair of ears in my backpack too, so when we go to the parks, I don't have to dig through my luggage before we get there. So those can go in. I also have here this handy dandy little kit that has every charger wire known to man. So we have a block for everything, a USB-C, a regular USB, there's a pen in here. There's some zip ties. This is like Adam's kit that he's letting me use for the cruise. So I'm also gonna leave this out and I'm gonna add in here my watch charger tomorrow morning at 3:30. I'm gonna make a mental note of that. Something else I took out of my luggage really quick are some bike shorts because I am gonna wear jean shorts to Magic Kingdom. However, it's supposed to be like 94 degrees tomorrow and I'm sure it'll be humid, so will your girl have chub rub? I don't know. We'll have to see. So we're going to bring bike shorts just to be comfortable. Something else really good to bring on a cruise specifically are these little magnets, little magnet hooks. These are super, super strong. We used them on our cruise back in February at the Carnival Magic, and we hung our wet towels, wet bathing suits, things like that, so you have more room on the floor overall. So I have 4 of those, and there's 4 girls going, so each girl can have a hook for their towel, pocketbook, whatever they may have. Cool. I'm also gonna bring a power strip. I know that seems excessive, but there's 4 travel agents in one room, and I'm sure we're all gonna be filming content, charging our phones, curling our hair, something along those lines. So a power strip will be wonderful to have. Let's take that. You guys already watched me pack my toiletries and such, so we're gonna go ahead and put that in here. And also packing my makeup bag, which you guys also, at this point, will have seen me pack. Hi, so I don't know if it's all gonna fit. Also, a honorable mention, makeup wipes. They just don't fit in my makeup bag, so they have to be packed. And like one of the most important things, SPF. I'm putting mine in a gallon size freezer bag because I don't want an explosion. It's very important to have sunscreen, guys. Florida is very hot, the sun is strong, and then I will be in the Bahamas for the next 2 days. So it's very important to keep our skin SPF'd. Okay guys, so that's really it. Oh, and socks and underwear. Like we're all packing like 10. I don't know, that sounds right to me, so that's what we're gonna do. And that's it for now. So next I'll show you what's in my backpack. All right guys, last segment of the video. What is in my backpack slash fanny pack? I carry a Lululemon belt bag that has my debit card, gift cards. I always have an extra sanitizer, gum, because fun fact, the Orlando International Airport does not sell gum, and neither does anywhere on Disney World property. iPad, coming with me. Another hand sanitizer because you cannot be too clean. Extra gum because I chew all day. Extra hair elastics. Okay, inside of my backpack, I have the ears I'm wearing to Magic Kingdom tomorrow, my Tiana ears. I have a cooling rag, aka a sweat towel for the 8 million degree weather. A portable charger that's already been fully charged. tissues because like you just never know. In my top pocket, I have a brand new pack of Clorox wipes because I wipe down my entire seat, the wall, and the armrests and the tray table on the plane before I sit down. Disposable ponchos. These are not Disney ponchos. These are from a local place in Rhode Island called Job Lot. They were $1 each. I have in here, this is my Disney cruise information. And this is where my luggage tags are for the cruise for when we board. I have baby wipes just in case, my passport. Oh, and last but not least, my new favorite purchase I just got, my new hydro flask. I like to keep a water bottle with me in my backpack at all times. And I needed a new one anyway. I also have an extra pair of sunglasses that I will be taking with me. I wear my sunglasses like religiously on my head, so this would just be an extra pair just in case. One more thing I'm bringing, claw clip. I feel like claw clips aren't comfortable when I'm on vacation, but for everyday life I need them. So I feel like when I'm on a cruise ship, that is everyday life, and I need to have my claw clip on me just in case. I also have in my belt bag both of lip glosses. I use the Tarte Marajuka Juicy Lip Plump. And also I have a small from Sephora compact mirror. And then I have, I don't know if I already said this, the camera bag. So I'll have all of my equipment in here for the DJI, just so everything's in one place. And this will come with me on the plane, as well as my electronics, all my chargers and everything that Adam packed for me will go in my backpack and the bike shorts. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching my Pack With Me vlog. It took 48 hours to pack for a Disney cruise / trip. I'll be vlogging at the airport tomorrow, so I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!